How to translate text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any conversation from here. As you can see, this person has sent you a message in a different language. If you want to translate this message to English, then press and hold the message and select Translate. You can now view the translated message over here as shown. You can repeat this to translate all other messages in different languages. Following these steps, you can easily translate text messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.